this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks. Aquarians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May, we have the Hangman. Possibly you were overworked and burdened on account of the excess work. Ill health could also be a factor here. I think you were also feeling as though you were the one who had to sacrifice yourself. Maybe you had to adjust and reschedule or prioritize. First to overcome this month is a strength card. Possibly Aquarians, you're being called upon to do away or let go of those people whom you no longer require in your life. You should realize that some relationships are no longer needed in your life. Interestingly, there are going to be those surprises. Maybe some people will also bare their soul to you, and you could be the agony aunt. Minor irritants apart, you have to brace yourself. You have to be somebody who is patient. Influences for this month, we have the Tower card. Quick communication is quite likely for Aquarians. Maybe you should control the situation instead of allowing it to get the better of you. Ideally, I think Aquarians, you should be realistic rather than set your hopes too high. Maybe you will also be glad to receive your dues, and this could be completely unexpected. All in all, Aquarians, you should be ready for the grind. I think also while working or while researching, you could find yourself overwhelmed on account of excess data. Though you know it's vital for your work, I think you should also seek assistance from your loved ones. Sometimes, you'll also have to set aside what you're working on and prioritize. Like I said, maybe some tasks need to be done promptly, so that is why you will pay attention to that. It's quite likely that your skills will be in demand this month. The first 10 days, we have the Hierophant card. Insight is quite likely. Maybe you will realize that all the problems that you're encountering are spiritual problems. Perhaps Aquarians should also do some spiritual cleansing. You could also have those visions, or you'll get divine guidance from the universe above. I think secrets will also come out in the open. Maybe somebody wants to talk about your secret romance, or maybe somebody is privy to your secret side and wants to talk about it with family elders, and this is why you could be a bit perturbed. You're also being called upon to promote yourself. Maybe some kind of learning can also be expected in this period. Towards the next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th May, we have the Six of Pentacles energy for you. Expenditure is quite likely. Maybe you need to be careful. Sometimes you may feel as though money flows out easily. Perhaps there are malfunctioning gadgets that you're dealing with this month which needs to be repaired or replaced. Ideally, Aquarians, in this month, you're being called upon not to meddle, as it could also lead to a breakdown of your relationships. Maybe your temperamental nature, something which you need to watch against. Maybe your temperamental nature, something which could mar your relationships. We do have the Tower card which talks about quick communication, so your quick reactions could also lead to your undoing. But you're somebody who will want to retaliate. Limitations could also be placed upon by your family members, and this affects you personally. Maybe you want to leave the roost, or you want to set sail for greener pastures. Interestingly, you are somebody who will be generous towards family members or loved ones, or those who need your assistance. Maybe you will also offer them money or resources, and for the same, this person will be quite grateful. Professionally, it may not be the best time. Perhaps the preview of your work could be rejected by a prospective client. Sometimes, you could have those moments of self-doubt. You think that your creative ideas will have no takers. However, your loved ones will try to lift your spirits by saying that the person may have failed to understand your vision. Some of you should also look for other job opportunities. Perhaps your employer feels that you need to move on. I think it would be advisable to pull up your socks so that there's no reason for complaints from your superiors. In case you are at the helm of affairs, then you may find that the management or the administrator could use you to get inside information about the goings on in the workplace. At times, you could also be interviewing candidates. Perhaps you have to find replacements for staff which leaves. As a boss, you'll also have to interview candidates and find replacements to increase staff strength. I think in this month you could also be a bit tense because you can't find important documents, but eventually you will find them. By the way, in this month there could also be food treats, or you will be socializing a bit. Towards the final days of May, that is 21st to 31st May, we have the Temperance card. Aquarius, did you notice that we have very many major arcana cards in your reading? Possibly fate is going to play a huge part in your life this month. Interestingly, in the last few days, you will be somebody who needs to be patient. Maybe you desire harmony in your relationships as well. Possibly you will be dealing with delays, but then in the end, everything will work out fine. This is also going to be a very dramatic month marked by a lot of sudden changes. Maybe you will find that silly matters could snowball into big issues. This is why, Aquarians, you should avoid temperamental behavior. Maybe you get worked up for nothing. As an employee, you will also be dealing with jealous colleagues. Maybe knives are also being sharpened behind your back. This could make the work environment very claustrophobic. Perhaps you should retreat and keep to your own self, or you should keep your cards close to your chest. On account of the oppressive environment, you could even threaten to quit. But then I think you should hold your tongue and learn to handle the green-eyed monsters. Nevertheless, I think towards the final days, you're also somebody who's going to build on your contacts. Payment for your services also quite likely in this period. With respect to your love life, I have the card Dove, Peace. Possibly you're also being asked to maintain the peace in your relationships because your temperamental behavior could affect your love life as well. In case, Aquarians, you're crushing on someone, I think you are going to deal with those roadblocks in your love life. Maybe you feel that you're pursuing this person, but then you end up being disappointed as you fail to get any rejoinder from this person. Perhaps this person is ignoring you. Even if you go all out to initiate the conversation, he may remain a distant dream. Nevertheless, you're going to feel the urge to contact this person. Single Aquarians, they'll be admirers, and the explicit behavior could leave you in no doubt that they are interested in you. Perhaps you should not string anyone along. I think the opposite sex will try to woo you. In this month, you will also be somebody who will be reminded of your past lovers. Maybe there's also going to be unwanted attention coming from the opposite sex. However, those who are gentlemen-like, they will definitely get your consideration. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you may want to renew contact with this person, but then you could retreat into a shell. Like I said, you don't want to come across as someone who's being too persuasive and clingy. Romancing Aquarians, there are impediments or there are obstacles in your love life. Maybe somebody could want to talk about your hush-hush relationship with family elders, and this is why you're somebody who has revenge on your mind. Nevertheless, you and your person will enjoy phone conversation. Maybe you will discuss your respective childhood or your past life. I think the two of you will also be honest about the mistakes that have been made or the misunderstandings that have been there in the past. Some of you could also be planning a trip to be with your beloved. I think this month you will also be exchanging gifts and sweet nothings. On the other hand, married Aquarians, I think you should avoid misunderstandings. Rather, you should stay calm, or you should offer the olive branch because we have the Dove card here. Maybe your husband is somebody who's quite fishy and he could pick on you and link you to members of the opposite sex. This is why, Aquarians, I think you will be very careful to avoid the opposite sex. The issue of money could also come up in your relationship. Sometimes your spouse could think that you're profligate. Maybe you need financial assistance with respect to your medical bills, and this could become an issue. Nonetheless, I think your person or your spouse is someone who's going to let you have your way. This is why you think that he shouldn't create a fuss in the first place. Aquarian men, I think you should be more tolerant of your partner. Interestingly, this month there'll also be those days when you find yourself being blamed for no fault of yours. Interestingly, it is your person or your spouse who's going to help you out when you are in the doldrums with respect to work. maybe your spouse could help you write official letters as well. I think you should give your spouse credit for being supportive and encouraging. In case you are in an unhappy connection, I think you should not put up with domestic violence or be in a toxic relationship. In case you are in an extramarital relationship, I think you should understand where you stand. Maybe you desire union with this person, but then your confidant may say that you should not live in a fool's paradise. Rather, you should be more practical with respect to this connection. Basically, you're reminded that you could remain the other woman in this person's life, and this truth could be very difficult to swallow. The last card in this reading is Igniting Courage. I am strong, valiant, and courageous. Perhaps, Aquarians, it is time to remind yourself that even if you can be hesitant or you could fear the consequences, but you are being called upon to stay firm, to be strong and courageous. You are being asked to move forward, gather your inner forces, and take that risk or take that leap of faith and honor your truth. You're also someone who could be the light bearer for others. Some of you may also be thinking about travel plans because this rider is on the move. You are like the galloping horse wanting to move onward and forward. I hope, Aquarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.